September 26th. Unboxing. Got a box today. Student bow. Nothing fancy. It's one of those takedown lawn bows made out of fiberglass. I've been wanting to see what they're like, just because one went on sale. Limb. Interesting, eh? I'm about to learn how it goes together. String. Set the string down over here. Set the string down over there. And instructions. Drop the box over there. It's cold outside, by the way. We had some pretty lousy weather. Alright, let's see what this is. It's Nika Archery. NikaArchery.net. www.nikaarchery.net. Okay. Product description. Product name. ET-4 Meng Wan Traditional Bow. Weight 1.15 pounds. Length 48 inches. Draw weight 18 pounds at 28. 30 at 28. Pretty sure that this one that I ordered was supposed to be 30. I was actually hoping for the 18 because it'd be better for students. Maximum draw length 33 inches. Brace height 6.8 inches. Processing. What's an injection modeling? So in other words, this comes out of a form. Kind of cool. Material fiberglass. Well, this one I guess would be the yellow wood. That would be the yellow wood. Collector, yeah. Target user, youth, beginner, amateur, and collector. I guess I'd be the collector. Interesting. Product highlights. Excellent value as part of a startup kit. High performance and durable. Excellent choice for beginner and intermediate archers at low cost. I'd agree with that. And then, of course, we got the installation. So, let's see if I can do this. And then we'll go to here. I don't see any markings that define what is top and what is bottom. Interesting. I kind of like that, but that's got some resistance to it. That's light tap. Nothing too enthusiastic. I like that. Nice and I think I'll cut the threading part out. This is going to get a little long. Okay, that was making me just a little bit too nervous, so I'm a Canadian, so I use duct tape. Temporarily. I'll figure out something. I had the leather, a little piece of leather across it, and I was like, bing! Came apart really too easy. I need to do some more figuring, some more experimenting with that. So, but in the meantime, tape, duct tape, haha. Green's my relative. Kind of. He's every Canadian's relative. So women won't find you handsome. If women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy. Rules to live by, friends. Rules to live by. Alright, now let's see. I still don't know. I don't think there's actually any difference in the limbs as to what's upper and lower. It's a rough finish, but I mean it's an entry level glass construction bow. Okay. It's a little off. I don't know. That looks a little off to me. I don't know if it's supposed to be symmetrical or what it's supposed to be. I don't know. I've never seen a bow shaped like this before, so I don't know what it's supposed to look like. No, I'm not going to pull it the full draw. Not until I've got some confidence in it. Step back a little bit here. Definitely has hand shock. Feels actually heavier than it should, to be honest. Oh yeah, considerably heavier. And this one is shorter, 47 versus 48. But kind of cool. Or is that the upper limb? I don't know. I don't know which is the upper limb. I'll have to figure out which one's the upper limb and which one's the lower limb. I'll have to make some inquiries. Okay, the blue tape, first blue tape is 28. Okay, zeroed it out. Let's see what it is. Okay, so it's not 30, which is good. 27.5 by the looks of it. I'm going to repeat that a couple times just to make sure. I get to that blue tape. Yeah, that one's 28. And that one's 27.5 again. Okay, I'm going to try and take it to 31, which is the second piece of tape. I'm not comfortable with this. Oh, that's kind of scary. 34. I'll try to repeat that again. Definitely stacks. and 34 again. So it's consistent. I'm not comfortably getting it to that. It does stack. To be expected. I mean it's a piece of fiberglass. It's not, you know, laminated. It's not a wood core with lamination. It is a fiberglass play toy bowl, which seems to be straightening out a little bit more. I don't know. Still kind of nervous about the whole takedown feature, but this Gorilla Glue is definitely holding it. Gorilla Tape, duct tape is definitely holding it together for now. I don't. Oh, brace height. I didn't set the brace height, did I? Now it was 6. Oh wow. Now brace height's supposed to be 6.8, and this brace height is 7 1/4. So I'm going to bring it down. See if I can bring it down. Let's see. No, it's not coming down. Interesting. I think if I work the string in, the string will stretch, and I'll get it down to that. Yeah, because I think the instructions said, yeah, 6.8, so, and this is over 7. So I want it to be below 7. 6.8, I want it to be down here, 6.8. Well, right now it's 6.8 would be there. Right now it's there. So and that's, I haven't twisted the string or nothing. So the string needs to stretch out a bit, which it will do. The bow itself should, as time goes by, loosen up. Might be a little tough for some of my students though. I brought in the 30 because that's what was on sale. I actually really wanted to get the 18. Now, this isn't 30, this is, what, 25 at 28? So, 34 at 31. I'll look through them. All the stats will be posted below. Averages and that sort of thing. I will be speed testing this when I get a chance. Not today. Yeah. I'll fool around with it, see what it does. See you later.